Hello folks, this is Aditya from InspiredWise.com and today we are going to talk about LG Dual Inverter ACs. So guys, LG has come out with a new lineup of ACs which come with dual rotary motor inverter technology, which makes sure that you get faster cooling, more efficiency, etc. We even opened up the outdoor unit in order to see what else is on the inside. So it comes with dual inverter technology, high grooved copper pipes, intelligent power module, there's a dual row condenser and a BLDC fan motor. What all of that high tech means is that finally you get better cooling. It comes with grooved copper, and on the inside you also get gold fin condenser, which makes sure that it's more resistive to corrosive elements like water, rain, dust, etc. And almost everything on the inside was of very high quality. So it comes mostly with copper on the inside, like all of the design employs a lot of copper, and the copper also comes with something called as ocean black protection, which is applied to both the indoor and the outdoor unit, which makes it more durable when exposed to something like industrial smoke or pollutants, and then the AC would last even longer when compared to something else from some other brand. Now if you talk about the cooling capacity, it goes from 40% to 80%. You can reduce how much cooling it does, you can reduce the capacity and power intake that it has, and the installation process was really easy. It comes with a grooved copper pipe, which means that the surface area on the inside for the copper pipe is increased, and that results in better cooling. The overall installation process was easy, and there's also a dedicated application for this one which you can install on your phone and wirelessly control the AC, which is a great feature to have for a lot of people. And apart from that, if you talk about few other things, the installation process is quite simple. These guys would come in, check your whole environment and install the indoor and the outdoor unit. And apart from that, normal ACs have a limited operating range, but this one can operate on very less power also. So that's something great about the dual inverter tech. And if you are somebody who's just worried about the pollution, then that's also covered over here, as it comes with 0.3 micrometer dust removal filter on the inside. And one of the better things about this AC was the fact that you can limit the power consumption to up to 40% of the total power required. For example, if it's a 1.5 ton AC, you can operate it at 40% of the cooling capacity when there are lesser people inside the room which you're trying to cool, and then the overall power savings would be even higher, and you can go as high as 80%. And there's also a higher capacity cooling mode, which is really fast, runs for around 40 minutes and then goes back to your normal mode. So that's something which makes it quite different from a lot of other competing products out there. This particular lineup starts at a price of around 32,000 rupees, 31,990 to be exact, and it goes up to 70,000 rupees depending upon how powerful or what kind of model did you buy. This specific model that we tested over here costs around 46,000 online, and I particularly found it to be pretty good. So guys, this was it for this video. In case you like this one, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button and do subscribe to Inspired Rise for more awesome tech videos like this one. Do let me know in the comment section below what you think about this. And guys, no matter what you do, stay inspired to rise.